This is the underslung adapter that ships with the Platinum water valve repair system, along with the water cutting blade, which has a tighter radius on the curve of the teeth. It allows the cutter to cut down to 28 inches in diameter. And it also expands out to 38 inches. The water valve cone, the centering system for the cutter, goes into a standard water valve box, and it centers the cutter for cutting. If you have the larger water valve box, you'll use the included reducer and put the cone inside that. And this is where the 38-inch cut is handy for these larger valve boxes.